YouTube, welcome back again. Dumpage, 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 dumpage. You know, I won't say that this is Trump's fault, right? This isn't Trump's fault. You know, we just came for sell-side liquidity. We created a divergence on the 15-minute. They started dumping, people selling actually from out of panic, I think. You know, they all take profits. That's the thing. You know, we have a bearish divergence on the 15-minute. We came for a lot of liquidity. I will show you later in this video. And then everybody's taking profits, and then yeah, the price drops. So that's a little bit the thing, you know. If you followed my model yesterday, then you were in the gains. You know, people in the group made gains. Congratulations. That's all. That's what I say. You know, just take profits, and you know, it's better to wake up in the gains than in losses, right? We put so much energy and so much effort in this TA and in these trades. You know, you can. We live through this kind of moments for days, and it can get ruined in minutes, actually. You know, and one thing I've learned after being wrecked so many times is just to take profits. You know, this situation is actually game changing because yeah, we're in bearish order flow again now, right? We still didn't hit the 786 on the daily time frame as I showed you guys yesterday, and most likely we will retrace this 786 because there's liquidity now, right? And this price is just a magnet to where the most liquidity is actually, you know. So it should be very nice if we retrace this 786 on the daily time frame to go crazy actually, you know. We're still not bearish on the higher time frame. We're retracing certain levels like the 618 and the 786, and we're creating higher lows. So, you know, don't be afraid. Just see it as in a positive way that there's a new opportunity to buy Bitcoin in a discount. So as that said, guys, let's go to the chart. So as you guys can see now, we're watching at BTC to USDT again, and yeah, this is ridiculous actually. You know, almost 7%. That's a lot of money actually. So we came for sell-side liquidity underneath this WEEX. You know, if you go to my model, I didn't touch it actually. Then you could see that our entry was perfect. We took profits here, and you know, this is the setup from the YouTube video actually, but in real life, we moved our stop loss here. We took out order size, and we're in the gains actually. If you go to my Discord group, you can see that we're making gains here, right? So we sleep like a baby actually. You know, again, to the new guys in the group, I'm very proud. You know, stay disciplined, stay consistent, and you will change your game actually, you know. So guys, with that said, what can we expect for BTC now at this moment? When we go to the daily time frame, you can see that we're bearish now, right? So I want to see this 786 or this 618 got respected. We didn't hit it perfectly, but I'm expecting BTC to come to the 618, to come down eventually to this 786. Finally, to grab this pool of liquidity and to go crazy up, right? In case of this inverted head and shoulders, should be nice if we retrace this 786. You know, we zoom out. Actually, I was checking the chart today, and I was just zooming out, and I was just looking at the chart, right? If you look at the chart on the daily time frame, this thing looks like a monster, right? If you check this one, this was a monster. Look at what we did. Actually, it's a dragon, but you know, I like dragons. So, you know, Looks very bullish actually, right? So again, guys, you know, bearish order flow. I want to see this 618 got respected, like got retraced or rejected, how you want to call it, to come down more, to retrace this 786, and then go up crazy. Still crazy bullish actually. You know, the thing is with these news events and things, it's just dangerous to trade, right? That's why we take profits and we move our stop loss. It doesn't mean that you cannot take some risk here in a discount market. You know, I made crazy gains. You know, the group made crazy gains, and we take profit at resistance, right? So actually, guys, you know, we have to see what BTC is doing now at the moment. I want to see the 786 got respected, retrace. I'm entering here. I'm not trading now. So I wait to grab sell side liquidity and to enter a long position at 80.7k, let's say 80.8k. If you backtest this actually in the past, then you could see that this is a little bit the same situation that's playing out, right? So there's a possibility that they come for more sell side liquidity, you know. When you compare this with my setup I'm drawing now at this moment, then you can see that we dipped through the 786 to come for sell side liquidity here, right? So there's a high possibility that we come for sell side liquidity on this 100 line, right? So what you can do actually, you can put low limit orders, a lot of limit orders here from the top till down, actually underneath this WEEX, to build your position up. And if we reverse, then you're already in the trade, right? So that's a little bit up to you what you want to do actually, but we're still crazy bullish. Don't forget that, right? If we lose this 786 and we retrace this 100 line, we're still bullish. That means actually that you're creating a divergence on the weekly time frame, a bullish divergence. So, you know, guys, don't be afraid. Buy discount, build your position up, and once we reverse, don't forget to take profits, you know. So with that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Quick update on BTC. If you want to level up your trading, join the Crypto Gainers. The link is in the description. You see that we're making gains there, so you're very welcome. With that said, guys, I thank you all for watching. Stay safe, make profits, and God bless you all. See you in my next video.
Think about me.